What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and you're here because you want to learn how to make money online. Is it really possible? And yes, it is, right? And there's many different ways of making money online working from home, okay? There's affiliate marketing, there's network marketing, there's internet marketing. There's so many different ways. The best way, right, that I am using right now to make money online is direct sales, okay? Which is affiliate marketing. And so I'm just packing up here. There's a huge mess. Packing up for my trip. We're leaving, right? I'm taking the whole family, right? It's going to be phenomenal. But the reason why I decided to shoot this video right now is because it's unbelievable, right? Because at the place that I was at just a year ago, I was working 2 full-time jobs, right? 70 plus hours a week. And now, since I became my own boss, right, I made a decision that I deserve better. And so what I did is I just took action. Yes, I was skeptical, like you might be, but I took action. I was like, what the heck? You know, I have nothing to lose, right? And so now, right, I've actually fired my 2 bosses. I get to travel wherever I want. Been to Vegas, been to San Diego, been to, just came from Guadalajara, and just been traveling a lot. New York City, Florida, just been going around meeting entrepreneurs, people like just like me, that were ambitious, that were bold enough to get rid of their fears and just take action. Okay, so what, how amazing would it be that you can be wherever in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi connection and a smartphone? That's what I'm using right now to record this video. How awesome would it be that you would still be making commissions, right? Even while you're traveling, even while you're out, you know, with your family having a great dinner, even while you're out at a birthday party, and you're still making money as you go. That's the beautiful thing about making money online. You don't have to go to a physical building, right, and spend their 8 hours of your life, you know, doing things that you don't even like to do, right? Working for somebody you don't even like. There's no reason for that. And so, as you can see, I'm just getting ready here, flying out in a couple of days. And I just want to encourage you, if you want to learn how to become your own boss, right? You can visit my website. You can go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started with my team today. The link should be in the description below. Again, that's spelled www.richmindsets.com. Visit my website, take a look at all the details, get started with my team today, right? I have over 2,500 members inside of my private community where I'm giving ongoing coaching for people that are complete newbies. It doesn't matter if you don't know anything about making money online. If you're willing to learn and if you're willing to take daily action to work towards your goals, then there's nothing that can stop you. The only person stopping you from reaching your goals, from getting out of debt this year, from going to that vacation you've been wanting to go for the longest time, from getting your brand new car, is you, because it all exists right there. If you can believe in yourself that you can do this right here, you can manifest it in on the outside. So anyways, again, if you are ready to change your life, I'm going to invite you to go to my website. My Facebook link is at the bottom. If you have any questions, message me. You can follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat link is also at the bottom. So just go ahead and message me on Snapchat. Just follow me so you can watch, you know, I'm the real person trying to help out people that are actually hungry for success. For all the naysayers, just click off this video. Other than that, I'll see you at the top.